Hello everybody on YouTube, it's Mr. Twister55 here in Hummelstown. Today is Thursday, the first Thursday of December, and they will be testing the TMI sirens for the first time since the plant has shut down back in September. Here I have two radios. This first one is the APX 6000 monitoring the activation frequency. We will hear the FSK tones.
I have another vehicle to send. Am I clear to
And
return?
here we have GMRS, my APX 8000. Where we have some flaggers about 1 mile that way who will hear the sirens, and we have a special needs farm that way about 1 mile who will hear the sirens as well. They actually have a siren neighboring the farm, so I want to hear if they say anything about it. So any minute now, we will hear the tones come over this, and we will, that scared me, and we will listen for the activation. There it is. Let's just go back here where we have a little better audio. There it goes. So on channel 3, we might hear the farm talk. And channel 11, we might hear the...
I have one vehicle to send. Am I clear?
Channel 11, we have the flaggers.
Copy that.
I hear dogs barking. There's the flaggers there. Probably hear about 5 or 6 sirens winding up. This one is the loudest one. It's about 1.5 miles that way. It's at a farm. Oh my goodness, you can actually see it. It's right there in the middle of the frame. You can see it really good right now. As it rotates, it disappears. There, it's coming back around. There, you see it? Right there in the middle. There, it disappeared. There, now it's coming back around. So we have a perfect view of the siren. I never realized that. Coming back around. It's facing us. Actually, no, it's facing away. Coming around. Facing us right now. But there's a delay of sound. I mean, it takes about 10 seconds, I bet, from where it is to get here. It's facing away right now.
I have one vehicle to send. Am I clear to return?
Copy, go ahead.
Copy that.
That's pretty cool. I had no idea you can see the siren from this location. I never would have known until it started rotating. That's it. Alright, they should receive signal to wind down momentarily. We'll go back over here. Oh, we heard someone on channel 10. They asked what that noise was. There's a fire. Someone said there's a fire. Well, no, it's not a fire. It's actually a TMI siren test. So we heard one person talk about it. And they're still winding down that way. There's still quite a few winding down, but yeah, I didn't realize you can see the siren right there. Right there on that tree line against the field, the siren. I had no idea you can see it. Pretty cool. Well, there's our first test since TMI shut down. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you enjoyed my commentary. I figured there's enough videos of just the sirens so I can actually do some commentary now. All right. Have a good day, good rest of the year. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year coming up soon. And until next June, have a good one. Mr. Twister 55, I'll be clear.